there folks, except our gardening here. Hope you're all keeping well. It's that time of year now where we do our onions. I do know some people like to do them on Boxing Day, but I do like to wait till it gets a wee bit warmer. Now I do, as per usual, put 2 wee seeds on each container. Sometimes I'll move where you don't want them, but nevertheless, that's the way it is. Now these will probably take a couple of weeks just for them to germinate, especially now. I would advise you to do them inside because I don't know where you are in the world, but over here it's meant to get a wee bit cooler. So we'll do that, and then what we do is just put a wee drop of compost on. Nothing too much, just a wee drop. These have all been watered, so you don't have to worry about that. And then, like I said, in 2 or 3 weeks the onions should start to grow. And again, as you probably notice, I like using the wee paper pots because then you can just plant them into the ground and you're not disturbing none. And there we have it. And then obviously you put the wee sign up, put the wee propagator on. Before you can move the pots in right. I'll do that then, I think. There we go, well, and those ones are already done. So, it's a simple gardener. So, enjoy yourself and have a good time. Bye now.